Hey my friends, this is Kalam again here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change a profile language on LinkedIn.com. LinkedIn is a top social media platform in the world right now. So you can see I am on my profile. Now click on me. Then you need to go on setting and privacy. If you are a mobile user, this is the same method actually. Now scroll down, you can see general preference. Just go to content, language and language. So I want to change main language, I mean all language. Here you can see here the lots of language available here. Example of I want to translate it Danish, so just click on Danish. Wow, it's already changed to Danish. So I again go back on Malaysia. I don't know what is the meaning everything, so I want to go back on English. So just scroll down English, Denmark, Hindi, Japan, Korea, then English. So you can see this is a method you can change your LinkedIn profile language easily. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again, take care, goodbye.